guys, good morning. It's Tuesday, it's 6:52. I got up at 6:30. I'm like really proud of myself, guys, because I got up at 6 yesterday, 6:30 today, and I just want to continue to get up super early because I'm tired of rushing before I go to work. Like, that is not fun to do. Like, it's not a fun time. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm wearing this shirt that says Monday Blues. I'm gonna edit this video real quick and then do my makeup and stuff for work. I am so tired. I'm just trying to get these videos edited so like I'm on top of my game. But yeah. Guys, I just got done doing like my eyebrows and my face makeup, and I'm still editing a video, so that's fun. I'm gonna get dressed after this, pack my lunch for work, and then I'll be headed out to, oh, and I gotta do my hair and brush my teeth. But after that, then I'm gonna be going to work, so I'll see you guys in a second. Hey guys, I'm about to leave, but I just wanted to show you my outfit for work. I'm just wearing this gray cardigan that I got from Target, this black cami from Ross, and then these black pants, and these are from Ross too, and then these gray slides from Walmart. I'm about to go to work.